Yo, what's up? It's your boy E. So today we'll be talking about DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Let's get it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are new here, I am E and I create MTG content and budget streaming content. So let's talk about DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Now, admittedly, this gimbal is not the latest of its line. I believe there's already Osmo 4 or 5. However, when I was perusing, shopping around, looking for a quick gimbal because I wanted to up my level of quality in terms of like filming using my phone. As you may have noticed, I have filmed a couple of like vlog style videos, and you can see although post I could correct the shakiness when I'm doing my videos. However, that's a bit too much work and it takes a lot of quality out of the vid, just trying to stabilize it. That being said, I actually decided to invest in one of the gimbals. Let's see if it turns out well. Now, I haven't done all my research when I was purchasing this. Shout out to my boy Billy on TK Foto, which if you have seen, I've purchased my Siren before, my mic Siren. So I trust them in terms of their recommendation. I got this bad boy for 109 Sing dollars, or it would roughly cost around $70 US, give or take. And I think for me, that's a fair price for this kind of device. Now, again, I haven't done my research. This will be my unboxing video and for you to see what's inside. As I said, this is my first time opening this. I believe this runs out of an app. Now, if you look at some of the tutorials before in YT, YouTube, which this video will be up on, there are a couple of versions of iterations of the app. The app has been updated quite some time, and I believe the most latest one will work in any of the videos. So as you can see on the side, they already say it works on both Google Play and Apple Store, and you need to download DJI Mimo app. So before I do that, let me try to get my phone and download that bad boy. So here it is. All right, we're opening it. Get that DJI Mimo, double click, show my face, and they're processing the payment. The app is free. That's just how Apple does it. Now that we have downloaded it, I'm going to open. Boom. I highly recommend reading the terms and conditions, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to agree because there's no other options. Agree and allow when using this app. I always chose that one. Sound notification, don't allow. Would like to connect devices on your local network? Yes, please. Use Bluetooth? Yes, please, because from what I understood, this one will be connected to this one. Yep. Allow access to all photos, because I believe with DJI Mimo app will connect to my photo whenever it's trying to save the stuff. All right, cool. Now that I have done that, I'm going to set my phone aside and continue with my unboxing. All right, boom. As you can see, it's sealed. It kind of feels like it's like an Apple product. I hope you can see this. Corners are really well packaged. It has a premium feel. That's what I was looking for. All right, cool. Let me now unbox this. Ooh. What I usually do is I go with the grooves so that I don't damage the box. Reason why is I'm just like keeping things pristine if I can help it. If not, then I have no choice but to destroy. Cool. So this is the packaging. Let's destroy this. It doesn't give off that cheap smell. You know what I mean? Like smell of cardboard. That's incubated cardboard, I think. All right. While it's sealed, it felt like it's more of an Apple product. Now that it's unsealed, it's not really that much of a premium feel to it. It's sealed right here. There's a tape here. Let's unbox it so that you can see what's inside. Boom. It's now unsealed. Ooh, so it has this tab, if you could see on the side, this tab, this foam. It's quite ingenious because usually most of the electronics, they have this styrofoam inside wherein you can take out the entire styrofoam. This one, it looks like this styrofoam was built into the box. It's glued shut there, so whenever you close it, it actually locks the device in. Quite smart. Kudos. Now I'm just going to slide it out. It's a silica gel to keep it dry and from moisture. Inside, there's nothing more. Again, it looks like all of the styrofoams are sealed or like glued inside. It has this box on the side, as you can see. Nothing else. I'm just going to open this box first. Let's see what's inside here. I'm guessing this will be the charger. Okay. another seal. All right, it comes with this lanyard, I think. Is this a lanyard? I think so. It has a logo DJI. Nice touch. Oops. It comes with this USB type. It's a USB device Type C. It connects to Type C, so I think this one is Type C. And it has a QR code right there. QR code right there. Nice touch. I think the QR code should direct you to the Osmo DJI Nemo. This one is a pouch. Just open it up. Oh, it's sealed shut, guys. So it's not really a sticky tape, so I have to tear it up so that you guys can see what's inside. It's a pouch, carrying pouch for your device. That's what's inside the box. It also comes with these pads. I believe this is for the phone whenever you're trying to set it up. And neatly folded inside is the guides. Startup guide. I believe it's in Chinese. They're also in, I think this is German and English, I hope. Nothing more inside. There's this small pamphlet here. Okay. Another small packet. I think this is can't read it. It's in Chinese. Can't read Chinese. Sorry. Nothing more inside. So I'll put out the package on the side. Get the gel here. Set it aside. Okay, now that is done, let's come into the meat. Again, this is sealed. Not really, but as you can see here, when you open it up, there's damage to plastic. Just key things to recall. All right, this is the device right now. Feels solid. The controller doesn't feel plasticky, if you know what I mean. Like when you hold cheap phones or cheap toys, you can kind of feel the plastic right out the bag. This one, it has a matte finish to it, and there is a weight inside, and I believe the motor is also in here. All right, solid design. It comes with this specific barrier in between here. I think this is just a foam that you can take out so that these ones don't get damaged. All right. This is how you open the gimbal, by the way. It's open like this. You fold it to the top, and then should screw in that manner. Now, they handily made this signage saying that the phone camera should face in that direction, and then this is where the other side would be. Phone camera would be on the backhand side of your phone. Now, if you'd want to take out this sticker, just remember that where the D is, that's where your camera should be. All right, cool. Now, what I usually like to do is center it in this manner. Boom. Cool. Now, to make sure that I properly balance the entire phone, I try to make it as I hold this pivot or the where the fulcrum, I believe, would be, and try to balance it as much as possible that it stays on the level. So what does that do for us? It actually lessens the stress that you put in the motor of your gimbal, extending the life expectancy of your device. Now that's done. I also do this. Okay. I think I need to push it a little bit more. Boom, that's done. Okay. Now that that's done, you can now press M right here. That's where the power button is as well. Long press. And the boom should recognize the device. Now the yellow says that it's going to be trying to recognizing or trying to connect to any product. I'll tap here to connect to device. Tap here for tutorials. And as you can see, the thing went up. Sorry, it was out of frame. The first instance where you click on this app, they will actually pop up a clip or tutorial saying that, hey, this is the button where you go for or connect your apps, and the other side would be your settings or the photos. I believe so. Let me just scroll this one up. Yep, activity right here, device right there. I'm going to scan for device. We have Osmo. This is our DJI Osmo. And we're going to connect that manner. We're going to pair. Nicely done. And it will say DJI Osmo would like to access the camera. That's fine. And the microphone. Boom. And now it's picking up the microphone here, right? Or the camera on this side. It has a slide tutorial right here. Not sure if you can see. It says slide to select shooting mode. So you have your video, photo right here. Common shooting settings are here, which is, and then the other side would be switching from front to rear camera is right here. So if you want to touch those, and quick access right here. And display the device battery level here. It's basically taking you into a quick tutorial. Access additional settings, including gimbal, shooting, and general settings of the phone is there. All right. These are all the custom settings, and click done. Then swipe to select your object you want to follow, if you want to follow anything, and there you have it. All I gotta do is boom. Okay. When how I do it is I double click the button here on the side. Then to change mode, click M. You can also pan it from left to right. All right. Let me put something into frame. Yeah, this monkey. Boom. Not sure if you can see the monkey. Let's try this for scale. Boom. All right. So a couple of things. If you press and hold the trigger button, it should not try to move the phone or the device on where it is. So I'm moving it here, and now it's not moving. If I release it, it's going to move with your gimbal. If you hold it, it's trying to lock on that axis. Another one would be to press M. As I said, pressing M would change the mode. So you have your video mode, you have photo mode, another video mode. So it switches between video and photo. But if you want, you can slide this over. Then double click your M. Would change to the phone view. Double click again. Triple click. Boom. And it would say standby mode. So that's your triple click. It says if you press any button, it should wake up. Boom. There you go. All right. And then if you triple click, standby mode. Back to the new mode. Double click. Triple click is to flip the camera. Boom. Hello. Triple click back. Should go back to front. Boom. Nice. All right, now we are done setting up our DJI Osmo 3 Mobile to get you up and running. Beginner's guide. Now it's time to explore, but for now, this is where I'm going to leave it off. Back to my face cam. There you have it, guys. As technology advances, I got the Osmo 3 running smoothly. It is very intuitive. I'm going to shoot a couple more videos, so if you want to see the result of this video, just stay tuned with this channel or just follow me on Instagram right there. I'll probably put in some short clips as well. All right, that's it for now. If you like my videos, again, give it a thumbs up and check out the playlist down below. As always, stay safe. Boom.